Okay. Now, so we started update. So what for update is to modify the data. So commission is what? Null. I want to change this commission to 500. Use update. Okay. Then the salary is 800. I want to change the salary to 1000. Use update. I want to change the job. Use update. But by default, that update is auto committed, but you don't want to auto commit. You want to commit. Okay, na? Then set implicit what? Transactions on. Set implicit transactions on. After executing this command, so if you want to save the update, you can commit. You don't want to save this update, you want to cancel, then you can roll back. You have the option to save or cancel, but otherwise, every operation is automatically saved. But sometimes I want to save, sometimes I want to cancel. That's why use set implicit transactions on. Okay, then. Now, see, like, suppose this is the table, then this is the table. I want to change this commission to 500, then update all the employees commission with 500. Set commission equals to what? 500. All employees commissions updated with what? 500. Now see the table. All are updated with 500. Yes or no? That. But you don't want to save this. You want to cancel it. By mistake, you update it. Then roll back. So execute the rollback. If you execute the rollback, then you see this table. Null. So 300, 500, null 1400 like this. Okay, na? Then. But you want to update this, only this 7369. Then where employee number is 7369. Then what? Update. You want to save this, then execute what? Commit. So when commit is executed, then it is permanent. This update is what? Permanent. Next. So then I want to update whose commission is null. Then I want to update where commission is null. Then where commission is null. Commission is null. So whoever commission is null, updated. It go to first row. Commission is null? No, not updated. Second one, commission is null? No. Commission is null? No. Commission is null? Yes, updated. It go to one by one row, checks condition true or false. If true, updated, false, not updated. Now see the table. So wherever commission is null, updated. Yes. Okay, now then. I want to update commission with null. Then what you have to say? Set commission equal to null, where commission is not null. If commission is not null, then it is updated with what? Null. Okay, now then next. Suppose then, but in these examples, you're updating how many fields? Updating how many fields? One field. I want to update multiple fields. I want to update two fields. Then, so let's see. Suppose update what's it? Like update, then update. Let's see. Suppose I want to update this salary with 1000, commission with, okay, na? Salary with 2000, commission with 1000. Salary with 2000, commission with 1000, whose employee number is 7369. Then, so what? Update, what's it? Salary with 2000 and commission with 1000. Okay, whose employee number equal to 7369. So tell me what? I want to update to salary and commission. Then update EMP set salary equals to 2000, comma, commission equal to 1000, comma, here not end. Okay, na? When you get it out, go and see the syntax. Syntax, what is there? Comma is there, end is there, comma is there. So comma. Commission equal to 1000. Next, where employee number equals to 7369. Whose employee number is 7369? Salary is updated with 2000. Commission is updated with 1000. Understood that? Now let's see this. Okay, then. So then now see the table. Select star from EMP. See the table. So this is updated with 2000. This is updated with what? 1000. You're updating two fields. Understood? Every day you execute update command, but you don't know. Okay, now you using PhonePe, you pay the amount. Background update command is executed. Your balance is updated. Then update command, update table name set balance equal to balance minus. Suppose you transferred 100 rupees. Your balance equal to balance minus 100, where account number equal to so and so. Background update is executed. Okay, na? Then you take a new Aadhaar card. Then what is executed? Background. Insert. When you take a new Aadhaar card, what is executed? Insert. Your details are inserted into database. You go to Aadhaar center and you change the address. Then update. When you change the address, update is executed. Understood, na? Then. Okay. Now you take account, bank account. Then when you take a new account, then insert. You go to ATM, you withdraw the cash. Update. Balance is updated. Okay, then. So, but sometimes not updating with value, I want to increment. I want to what's it? Increment. Suppose, for example, increment salary by 20% and commission by 10%. Those working as salesman and joined in 1981 year. So employees were salesmen joined in 1981. Their salary should be incremented by 20. Commission should be incremented by 10. So how to write the query? Update what? EMP set salary equal to salary. Huh? Increment, boss. Why minus? Increment plus salary plus 20%. How to write 20%? Salary into 0.2. Salary into 0.2. Okay, now? Comma. Commission should be incremented by 10. Commission equal to commission plus commission into 0.1. Salary equal to salary plus salary into 0.2. Commission equal to commission plus commission into 0.1. But where what? Who are salesman joined in 1981? Where? Job. Job equal to salesman. And joined in 1981. Then hide date. Hide date. How to write? Joined in 1981. 1981 is a year. How to write? Year equal to 81. Then hide date like You can use either like or you can use between. 1981, what's that percentage? Understood then. So execute this command. 4 rows affected. That means, okay, once again, first let me roll back it. Again, once again, roll back means that is cancel, update is cancel. This is the table. Select star from EMP. This is the actual table. Now you go to this one. Now, sir, here, the first employee, the job is salesman. Job is salesman. No, updated or not updated? Not updated. Next, go to the next one. Job is salesman. First condition true. He joined in 1981. Yes. Second condition also true. Updated or not? Yes. So salary is incremented by 20%. What is the 20% on 1600? 320. 320. 1600 plus 320. 1920. Commission is incremented by 10%. What is the 10% on 300? 30. 300 plus 30. 330. This is 1920. This is 330. Next one. Suppose this is also salesman. Joined in 1981. Updated. 1250. 20%. What is the 20% on 1250? 250. 1250 plus 250. 1500. And this is incremented by 10%. What is the 10% on 550? 500 plus 50. 550. That's all. Check. So let me run this update. Update. 4 rows affected. Now see the table. Select star from WhatsApp. EMP. 1920, 330, 1500, 550. Yes. That's all. Sir, okay now? So in these examples, you're updating single column, but in this example, you're updating multiple salary plus commission. So every year employees gets hike. That hike will be what percentage? 10% hike, 20% hike, like this. Then. Okay now? Suppose what if this is department? Employee belongs to which department? Some are belongs to 10, some belongs to 20, some belongs to 30. So what I want is transfer what employees from 10th department to 20th department. Transfer employees from 10th department to 20th department. Then update what? EMP set department number equals to, sir, transfer 10th to 20. What should be the new department? It should be transferred to 20 now. What should be the new department? 20. Who should be transferred? Who are working for 10? Then where department number equals to 10. So who are working for 10 transferred to 20. They will ask sometimes increment. Then you have to find out what is the suitable command. Update. They say transfer. Then you have to find out what is the suitable command. Update. But in question, they don't mention what update. They say increment. They say transfer. Okay, na? That. Understood? That. Because I want old table, that's why I'm roll backing. Usually you execute commit, but because I want old table, that's why roll back. Then next. That's all. This is what's it. Updates. Okay, next. What the next one is? Delete command. Delete. Delete command. So what is delete command? Command used to delete row or rows from table. To delete the row. Okay, na? Then see, this employee is resigned. When employee resigns, what you do? Delete. I want to delete this row. Then So command is delete. And using delete command, we can delete what? All rows or specific rows. So we can delete all rows or specific rows. Then how to delete? So delete from what? Table name. Next one, where condition. Delete from table name, where condition. So this is the syntax. If where condition is not there, then deletes all the rows. If where is there, then delete the specific rows, the rows that satisfy this condition. Not only any command without where condition applied to all, with where condition applied to the specific. Okay, now suppose that example, delete all rows from EMP. Delete what, sir? All rows from EMP. Then so delete from EMP. That's all. So this command deletes what, sir? All the rows from EMP table. 14 rows affected. Now see the table. Select star from what, sir? EMP. Select star from EMP. Table is empty. All rows are deleted. But it's permanently deleted? No. Deleted from RAM. But still the data is there in database. So then you want to save it, commit. You want to cancel it, then roll back. Suppose if I say roll back, then say roll back. Now see the table. Select star from what's that? EMP. You see the table. Data is recovered or not? Yes. Okay, now then I don't want to delete all the rows. Then delete employees. Okay, delete what's that? Employees. I want to delete the employees. Okay, then whose number equal to 7369 7566 7844. So 3 employees resign. Delete that 3 employees. Then delete from what? EMP, where employee number in 7369 7566 7844. 7375 7844. That's it. So this command deletes what's it? All the 3 rows. So let me run this then. So what is saying? 3 rows affected, 3 rows deleted. So see the table. So actual table contains 14. Now how many rows are there? 11. So that means 3 rows deleted. Yes or no? Okay, na? That. But because I want old table, that's why I'm roll backing. Because to show the different examples then. Okay, now how many rows are there? 14. Okay, na? Then. Okay. Next. Suppose delete employees joined before 1981. Then delete the employees who are joined before 81. Then delete from EMP, where what's it? Hide date. Hide date before 81. Then before what's it? 1981 0101 January 1st. 1981 January 1st means before 1981. Yes or no? Huh? Less than 1981 January 1st means before 1981. Yes. Then so let's see. Then you see this. What joined 1981? Before 1981. One row affected. See the table. One employee joined. So he's deleted 1980. He joined in 1980. That okay na? Then everything same boss, only this condition. Give the condition according to the requirement. Or what changes? Only where condition. Okay na? Then. So I want to delete the employees working as analyst. Then delete the employees working as analyst. Then where? job equal to analyst, who are working as clerk managers, then job in clerk manager. Understood? Only that condition, you have to write the condition. Remaining things same. Okay, that's it. So what this command is delete. But this command comes later. Merge we'll see later. Why? Because it is not related to this. It is related to data replication. Data what's it? Replicate. How to replicate the data. So that time we'll see merge. Okay. Then, so insert, update, delete. Yes. Insert is what? To insert new row. To create a new row. Update is to change, modify the data. Delete, to delete the row. Okay. Then suppose sometime they will ask like this, must delete this 800. Delete this 800. How? Delete this 800. Delete. What? Delete. No. See, this 800. 800 is a value. Delete this 800. Delete from EMP where salary equals to 800. What happens is complete row is deleted. See, here once again, here actually, if you say delete from EMP, employee number 7369 means row is deleted. Only employee number is deleted or row is deleted? Row. Complete row is deleted, not just only number. Yes. Now, if you write command like this, what is deleted is row, not just 800. Sir, delete is applied to the row. Where condition is, what is this where condition is, which row you want to delete? I want to delete the salary equal to 800 means this row is deleted. Yes. But I'm not asking to delete the row. I'm asking to delete this 800. Then that's all. They try to mislead. They try to ask delete this 800. Then you say delete command. Command is not delete, command is update. Then what you have to do is you have to write something like this. What is update EMP? Update EMP set salary equals to null where employee number equal to 7369. Otherwise salary equals to 800. If salary equal to 800, wherever 800 is there, 800 is updated with what, sir? Null. Let's see. And now see the table. So deleted or not? Yes, that's understood now. Then so command is not delete. Command is what, sir? Update. Okay. Then so remember, delete is not applied on specific field. Delete is applied on row, complete row. Okay. Next. What the next one is DDL commands. Okay. What is DDL stands for? Data definition language. What are the DDL commands? One is create, alter, drop, truncate. So these commands are called DDL commands. Data definition language. Okay. That. Sir, all DDL commands acts on table structure. The DDL commands acts on table. What's it? Structure. What is the structure means? Sir, here you see this. What is this is data, table data. What is this is? This is what? This is table data. Yes or no? Table contains two parts, data plus structure. Structure means columns. What is this is called? What is this is called? This one was, what is this part is called? This part is called structure, columns. What is this part is called? This part is called data. So table contains two parts, then structure plus what's it? Data. Okay, then now, so DDL commands acts on structure or data? Structure. DML acts on data. insert the data, update the data, delete the data, DML. But DDL commands acts on table structure. What is the structure means? Columns, data type, and size. Okay, columns, data type, size. Now, next. And so again, DDL commands also auto commit. To stop auto commit, set implicit transactions on. Okay, then. So how to see the structure? Sir, what is this command is showing? Select start from EMP. This command show the data now. This command is showing the data. How to see the structure? SP help EMP. This command will show the structure. You see this is called structure. So what this is? Columns, data type, size. This is columns, this is data type, this is size. MPNO, ename, job, salary, what are their columns? Their columns. What this is? Data types, column data types. What this is? Size. Okay, then. So if we want to create this structure, I want to create this structure, then I want to create this structure. Command is create. I want to change this structure, alter. I want to remove this structure, drop. To create the structure, create. To change the structure, alter. To remove the structure, drop. This is to release the memory. Okay, na? Create the data. This is create is to create the structure. Create the data, insert, change the data, update, remove the data, delete. Create the structure, create, change the structure, alter, remove the structure, drop. These acts on structure, those acts on data. Okay, now then. Already I covered create, but what you don't know is alter, drop, truncate. Yes. Now let's see what's it alter. Then alter command. Okay. Next. So the command used to modify the table structure. Like update is used to modify the table data. Alter is used to modify the table structure. Sir, modifying the structure means what? Modifying the structure means now the table contains how many columns? 8 columns. How many columns? 8. I want to add a new column. To this table, I want to add a new column. I want to add a column called gender. At the time of creating, I forgot to include the gender. Now I want to add the gender column to this table. So when column is added, structure is changed or not? Yes. What is the command? Alter. Next one. I want to change the data type. Sorry. I want to remove this column. No. I want to remove the column. To remove the column, alter. To add a column, alter. To remove the column, alter. Change the data type, alter. Change the size, alter. Alter is for 4. Add a column, remove the column, change the data type, change the size. If you want to do any of this activity, then command is alter. So then using alter command, what we can do, we can add what's the columns, next drop columns, third one, modify columns. Modifying columns means 2. What are the 2? Change what's it? Data type, change size. Okay, then. So first, let's see adding columns. First, what? Adding columns. Okay, now then how to add a column? Okay, then. So how means, let's see, alter table. Suppose, let's say, for example, like what's that? Add column, what? Gender to EMP table. Add column gender to EMP table. Sir, suppose you take banks, there is a old bank, okay, na? SBI something. They store customer data, but what they stored is customer ID, name, customer phone number, customer address, customer email ID, like this. They store customer data. It is a very old bank. They are storing the customer data since so many years. After some years, government introduced Aadhaar. Indian government introduced what's that? Aadhaar. Okay, na? But before Aadhaar only, they maintain the database. Bank maintain the database before Aadhaar. So now Indian government introduced Aadhaar plus and said every account should be linked to Aadhaar. Now bank decided to store customer Aadhaar number. Bank wants to store customer Aadhaar number. So can they store Aadhaar number in this table? No. If you want to store something in database there must be a table. In table there must be a column. Understood? To store something in database there must be a table. In table there must be a column. Table is there, customer table. In customer table, any column is there for storing Aadhaar number? No. Then what? Add a column. Add a column. So add Aadhaar number column. Okay, na? Like that. I want to add gender column to EMP table. How to add? Alter table EMP. Add what? Gender. But it is a new column now. For new column, it should allocate the memory. To allocate the memory, declare this column with data type. How it allocate the memory according to the data type? What is the data type? Gender, character. So declare character. Okay, char of 1. 1 is enough now? Yes. So let me execute this then. Now, so run this command. So after executing this command completed successfully, a new column is added to the table. See the table? Select star from EMP. See the table? New column is added. Gender. Understood? Always the column is added at last. Okay, columns cannot be added at particular position. You can't add this column at particular position. Suppose you want to add gender after e-name, not possible. You want to add gender after salary, not possible. Always added at last. Now, after adding, by default, this column is filled with null values. The column is filled with what, sir? Null values. I want to insert the data into this column. So what is the command? Insert. No. See, that's all. Insert creates a new row. Sir, already 14 rows are there. If you execute insert command, 15th row is created. Okay, na? You want to create 15th row? No. The rows are already there, but gender is not there. What is the command? Update, not insert. Understood? Then. So after adding, then next. After what? Adding. So by default, the column is filled with what's it? Filled with nulls. So to insert data into the new column, use what? Update command. Okay, na? Then. So bank also will do the same thing. First add a column. Aadhaar number column is added to the customer table. They send SMS to the customers, submit your Aadhaar details. Customer go to bank, submit the Aadhaar details, then they update the Aadhaar number. Okay, then tell me, I want to update the gender with M. Tell me how. Update EMP set equals to M. Next, where? J, where? I want to update the gender with M. Employee number, use employee number. Sir, yes or no? How your Aadhaar number is updated? Based on your account number, based on customer ID, or based on account number? Yes or no? Okay, na? Then what? Where? What? employee number equal to 7369. So 7369 gender is updated with what, sir? M. Yes. Now see the table. Select star from what? EMP. See the table. Otherwise, just you do one thing. You give in. Just give all the male employee numbers. Give all male employee numbers. Like that, write another command for female. Write all female employee numbers. That's understood that. So this is the command to update that. So update, what's it? Update EMP set gender equals to M, where employee number equal to 7369. So 7369 gender is updated with M. That's okay. Next. So this is what's adding. You can add multiple columns also, separated by comma. You want to add gender and date of birth, then comma, then what's that? Date of birth. Add gender comma date of birth to EMP table. So date of birth. What is the data type? Date. So gender is character type. Date of birth is date type. That's all. Okay, now then next. This is adding. Similarly, what's it? Dropping columns. So what is the command? Drop, alter. Then see, use alter command to do this. Sir, this drop is separately with. Okay, na? Then alter. So using alter, you can add columns. You can drop columns. You can modify the columns. So this is adding. Similarly, you want to drop. Then suppose drop column what? Gender from EMP table. Then what? Alter table EMP, then drop. Okay, na? Drop column, what's that? Gender. Alter table EMP, drop column gender. So let's run this. Okay, then commands completed successfully. The gender column is removed. Select star from EMP. So removed or not? Gender. Column is removed. Okay, na? Then this is what? Adding a column. This is remove the column. How to remove the row? Delete. Remove the column. Alter drop. Remove the row. Delete. Remove the column. Alter drop. Add a column. Alter add. Add a row. Insert. Add a row. Insert. Add a column. Alter. Remove the column. Alter. Remove the row. Delete. Okay, now update the row. Update. Okay, then like similarly, what this is? Modifying a column. Okay, modifying a column. So you want to modify the column. What we can modify? We can modify two. What are the two? Okay, then we can modify two. What we can modify? Data type and size. So SP help, what's her? EMP. I want to change the data type. What is the data type of EMP and NO? Small int, no. I want to change this data type to integer. Okay, then how to change the data type? So modifying a column. One is changing what's it? Data type. Second one, changing what? Size. Changing size. Okay, then so let's say how to change the size data type. So modify EMP NO column data type to integer. Actually, it is small integer. I want to change the data type to integer. Then tell me what? Alter table EMP, then alter column. So with alter, we have three options. What is the three options? One is add, one is drop, one is alter. When we use add option to add a column, when we use drop option to remove the call, when we use alter option to modify the call. So alter table, alter column. So which column you want to modify? EMPNO. You want to change what data type? What is the actual data type? Small integer. You want to change the data type to integer. So after executing this command, the column data type is changed to integer. So let's see. Commands completed successfully. So column type is changed to integer. Now see the table. SP help, what's it? EMP. So EMP and move. Earlier it was small integer, na? Now it is changed to what's it? Integer. You can change the data type. Yes. Next one. Now you can change the data type to small integer again. You can change it to small integer. Yes. Now again change it to what's it? Small integer. Sir, okay, na? Then can I change it to 10A int? There is one data type, 10A int. Can I change this data type to 10A int? Error. Sir, if you change it to integer, it is accepting. Yes or no? If I change it to small integer, it is accepting. But if I change it to 10A int, it is not accepting. It is giving error. 10A int. If I change it to 10A int, it is giving what's her error. Okay, na? Then why? Hmm? TINYINT. Okay. 10A int. Okay. So I'm changing it to 10A int. Then error. Okay, na? Why? Why? Because you see the table. Selects are from. Sir, you see the table. Sir, what are the 10 int range? What are the 10 int range bars? 0 to 255. 10 int range is 0 to 255. Yes. But employee numbers are what? Employee numbers are 7374 like this. So are these employee numbers are within 10 int range? No. Out of 10 int range. That's why it is not accept. It is giving error. Yes or no? So already these numbers not in 10 int range. Okay, now out of 10 int range. Yes, that's why it is not accepting arithmetic overflow. But if I change it to small integer, it is accepting. Yes, because 737475, they are within small integer range. Yes. Understood now? Then next one. I want to change a what's that data type. So this is the data type, changing the data type. And I want to change the size. Then, sorry, I want to change this what's that size. What the ename size? Varchar of 10. Ename size is what? Varchar of 10. I want to increase this size to 20. Now, 10 means what? It allows how many characters? 10 characters. Into the name, it allows 10 characters. So you cannot enter more than 10 characters. If you enter more than 10 characters, then it gives error. So you try, suppose insert into what's it? EMP, EMPNO, ename. Next one, salary. Values what? Suppose number 1000. Ename is what? Sachin Tendulkar. Next one, suppose salary 3000. I'm just inserting like this. So then, but this name more than 10 characters are not. Yes. Let's run the command. So this gives error. String or binary data would be truncated. Okay. Then column ename truncated value Sachin 10. Okay, na? Then. So it is giving error. Yes or no? Because declared size is 10, but the name contains more than 10 characters. Okay. That is why. So then I want to increase this size to what, sir? 20. It allows 10 now. Now let us increase the size to what? 20. So how to increase the size of ename? Then increase what, sir? Increase the size of ename to 20. How? Alter table emp. Next, alter column ename. Next, ename. What's that? varchar of 20. So actual size was 10. Now after executing this command, the size increased to 20. Let's see. Commands completed. SP help. What's that? EMP. You see the table. Now the size is changed to 20 or not? Yes. Now it allows names up to 20. It allows names up to 20 characters or not? Yes. That's it. Okay, na? Then. Understood? Then. So what this is? This is what's that? Modifying. This is modifying. Can I change the size to 10? Yes or no? Yes. Can you change the size to 8? Yes. Then can you change the size to 6? Can we change the size to 6? Yes. Can we change the size to 5? No. Why? String binary data would be truncated. What the meaning? Some names are already there. Martin, Miller, Turner. And already these names contains what? 6 characters. If name already contains 6 characters, how can you decrease the size to 5? Varchar 5 cannot store 6 characters names. That's why it is not accepting. Got it? Then. So same command. If I say varchar 5, then so this gives what's it? Error, because some names contains more than 5 characters. That's it. So this is about alt. Okay, adding column, remove the column, modify the column. So this is alt. What the next one is? Drop. What is drop is? Then drop command. Command used to drop table from database. What this is? Dropping the table, complete table. You want to drop the complete table, then command is drop. How to remove the column? Alt. Remove the row, delete. Remove the table, drop. That's it. Remove the row, remove the column, remove the table. Okay, then. So this drop command drops table structure along with data. So drop structure is dropped along with the structure, data is also dropped. Okay, then. So how to drop table name, drop table name. Okay, now suppose I want to drop EMP table. I want to drop student table. So drop table student. The student table is what's it? Drop. Let's see. Then. So then you see this commands completed. Table is dropped. Now select start from student. Select start from student. It is giving error because table is dropped. Data is dropped. What about structure? Structure is dropped or not? Yes. Then object does not exist. So student table is not there because it is dropped. By mistake you drop. Then roll back. Roll back. Now see the table. Select start from what's it? Student. Select start from student. Now see this. Now table is recovered or not? Yes. Okay, now then that's it. Okay, then. So clear? Huh? Next. That's all, nothing more than this. So drop is dropping the table. But you have to be clear with 3. Drop the table, drop the column, drop the row. Remove the row. Okay, then. They will ask differentiate between delete and drop. Then delete command deletes what's a row, but drop command drop the complete table. So one more is there. What that is called? Truncate. This is also important. Truncate. Now, so what is truncate is? Okay, truncate command. Then command what? Command user to delete what's it? Command user to delete what's data. Delete. Command deletes all the data from table. Command what? Deletes all data from table, but keeps what? Structure. Keep structure. Structure is not deleted. Only what is deleted? Data is deleted. Okay. Then truncate command empty the table. So command will empty the table. Emptying the table means deleting all the data. And command releases what's the memory allocated for table. So whatever memory is allocated, that memory is what's it? Deleted. Okay. Then so now how to truncate? Then now let's see, suppose I want to truncate this student table. Then how to truncate? So truncate what's it? Student. So the student table is what? Truncated. Okay. Then so after truncating, then what about the, see the table? Select star from what? Student. Select star from student. So data is deleted or not? Yes. But structure is deleted or not deleted? Not deleted. That's why he said what? Deletes all data, but keeps structure. Structure is not deleted. Okay. Then command will empty the table. Releases memory allocated for the table. Does the same. Yes. Then what is the difference between? Okay. Sir, delete what, sir? Delete versus truncate versus drop. Then they will ask like this, differentiate between delete, truncate and drop. But delete, truncate, what's that? Delete and truncate. Then what's that? Drop. So delete, truncate, same, but drop is different. Yes. So delete command deletes what's that? Deletes only data, but not structure, but not columns. Yes. But drop command drops what? Structure with data. Yes or no? So confusion is not between delete, truncate and drop. Confusion is between delete and truncate, because both commands acting same, but drop is different. Yes or no? Drop is removing the structure also, but delete and truncate is not removing the structure. So what is the difference between delete and truncate? Okay, then one difference. See, delete is what's that? Delete is DML command. Truncate comes under DDL. So delete comes under DML, truncate comes under DDL. Understood? Now let's see. Delete command deletes what's that? Deletes all rows. Delete can delete. Delete can delete. Can delete what's that? All rows, and also what? Specific rows. Yes. How? By using where. You apply the where, then delete. But truncate can delete all rows. Can delete specific rows. No. Can we use with where condition with truncate? No. Okay, na? Then, sir, what the syntax is? Truncate table name. You pass the table name. Okay, but you can't apply where condition to this truncate. So then, so delete can delete all rows and specific rows. Truncate can delete only all rows, but cannot delete specific rows. Next, third one. Sir, okay na? So you can delete specific rows also, but truncate cannot delete specific rows. Then where condition can be used with what? Delete. But where condition what? cannot be used with what? Truncate. Okay, then next. How delete command deletes? How delete command deletes? Delete command deletes what, sir? Row by row. How delete command acts? Row by row. It go to first row, delete the first row, go to second row, delete the second row, go to third row, delete the third row. It acts row by row. But how truncate deletes? Sir, it will not go to what's it? It will not go to row by row. It go to the memory, release the memory. When memory is released, data stored in the memory is also deleted. You understood? So table is there now. Table occupies some memory. In that memory, data is stored. It will not go to row by row. It will go to the memory, release the memory. When memory is released, data stored in the memory is also deleted. So then truncate, what's it? Then truncate deletes all data, what's it? At a time. So deletes row by row, but this deletes all data at a time. Next. So which is faster? Truncate. So delete is slower, truncate is faster. Next, delete, it will not release what's that? Memory. It will delete the data, but immediately memory is not released. But truncate, what's that? Releases what? Memory. That's all. So these are the difference between delete and what's that? Truncate. Sir, okay now? So delete is what? DML. Truncate is DDL. So delete can delete all rows and also specific rows. Truncate can delete only all rows, but cannot delete specific rows. Where condition can be used with delete, but where condition cannot be used with truncate. So deletes, how we deletes row by row, but deletes all rows at a time. Delete what's it? So let's say all rows at a time. And this is slower, this is faster. It will not release memory. Truncate releases memory. And just one more is there, but see, it will not reset. Delete will not reset identity, but truncate will reset identity. Okay, now then what is identity? We'll see later. Understood? Then you don't know this identity. Now you'll be knowing this later. Next. Okay, now that's all. So these are the differences between delete and truncate. Okay, that's all. So now this is about what's that? DDL commands. Okay, the 4. Understood now? Then create, alter, drop, truncate. You know what you learned up to now. You learned some basic commands on database. Okay, na? Basic commands. Okay, then you want to create a table. Customer ID, name, age. What is the command? I want to create a table with this structure. What is the command? Create. I want to insert this data. I want to insert this data. What is the command? Insert. I want to change this as 30 to 40. Update. I want to add a new column. New column. Alter. After adding the new column, I want to insert the data into the new column. Command is update. I want to remove this row. Delete. I want to remove this column. Alter. Remove the column. Alter. I want to empty this table. Truncate. I want to remove this table. Drop. Understood? That's first thing, commands. Okay, now basic commands. Okay, then. Understood now? So create a table. I want to create this table with this structure. Then create. You want to insert this data. Insert. You want to change this age. Update. You want to add a new column. Alter. And you want to insert the data into the new column. Update. I want to remove this row. Delete. I want to remove this column. Remove this column. Alter. I want to empty this table. truncate, remove this table, drop. That's okay. Then just here one more is there, like what is that is sp underscore rename, sp rename. Okay, then so what is this is used to change column name, table name, and column name or column name. To change the table name, column name. Okay, now then. So select star from what's that emp. This is the table. I want to change this table name. I want to change this what's that table name emp. Then so how to change sp rename? Then old name comma new name. sp old name comma new name. Okay, now so example. Then so what is rename? What rename table emp to employees? So table name, change this table name emp to employees. Then tell me how. What's that? Then sp underscore rename emp comma what employees. Okay, now sp underscore rename emp employees. So then this is the old name. This is what's that new name. So the name is changed. Okay, then so now let's see. Select star from what emp. Suppose if I use old name, then it is not showing invalid object because the name is changed. You have to use the new name. What is the new name? Employees. Select star from employees. Name is changed or not? Yes. So this is changing the name of the table. Oh. Huh? Oh. Then one second. But here, this is changing the table name. Yes. Sir, here I want to change this commission name. Field name commission. Change this name commission to bonus. Then so rename column commission to what's it? Bonus. Then what sp rename, then what is the name? Commission. Commission. Then what is the name? New name, bonus. You want to change the name commission to bonus. So run this command, error. Why? Because if you write like this, what it is thinking that commission is a table name. So here, that's why it is saying no item found commission in the current database. That means there is no table with name commission in the current database. So it is treating commission is a table name, but commission is not a table name. Commission is a column name. Then you tell SQL that it is a column. How to tell SQL? Then employees dot commission. Okay, na? You say table name dot commission. If you write like this, then now it understands that commission is a column belongs to employees table. Now run this. Then now, so change it. Now see this name is changed to bonus. Understood, na? Table name is directly give like this, but column name means table name dot column name. That's it. Sir, okay now? And that's it. This is what's it? Rename. Okay now? Then see what we completed is basic commands are completed. Okay now? Now what we are going to see, these are all basics. Okay now? Then sir, SQL is not only for creating the tables, inserting the data, updating the data, deleting the data. SQL is not only for this. SQL is one of the most widely used language for data processing, data analysis. SQL is the best language to process the data, to analyze the data. There are a number of features available in SQL to process the data. So one is functions are there. Next one, what's it? Group by is there. Next one, what's it? Joins are there. Next one, set operators are there. Next one, subqueries are there. So all these are for what's it? So these features are used for data processing, data analysis. Okay, now we'll see one by one. We'll see first what's it? Functions. Okay, now then shall we see tomorrow? Okay. Yes, Srikant, Srikant. Commit and roll back, same for all. Even for after truncate also, you can roll back. Okay, like oh, hmm. Okay, yes. నేను అది అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను ఓకేనా మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసేసి కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేసేయండి ఎస్ నేనేం స్టార్ట్ చేయలే మీరు వచ్చే ముందు నేను అప్డేట్ కమాండే రివైజ్ చేస్తున్నా రివిజన్ చేస్తున్నా అవును, అవును, దాంట్లో డిస్క్రైబ్ ఉంటుంది ఇది నోట్స్ మొత్తం ఉంటుంది నోట్స్ ఓకేనా See, see, writing the notes, we not required now because I'm uploading the notes in Google Class. Hmm? See, when I'm uploading the notes in Google Class, why you need to write? Time waste now. Vijay Kumar. Why you don't have access? You can access, you contact admin. Okay, then she will give it. Otherwise, 1 second, wait. So this is the Google Class ID, class code. Just using this class code, you can connect, you can access the notes. So I'm sending the invitation link. So this is the invitation link to to access this Google Class. So use this link to connect to the Google Class. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Say uploaded the notes. I uploaded the notes. Then just go through that notes. Okay. Okay then.